me, let them hoes sleep. Body on 10, make your girl OD. I get in my way.
Hey family, and welcome back to a day in my single mom life. Happy 4th of July. I almost forgot. Happy 4th of July. Two kids are up. Zara's up and Trey is up. Julian is still sleeping and he likes the door closed. He do not play about his rest. But I'm getting ready to show you guys. Get baby girl, and then I'm getting ready to show you all what this banner. I'm getting ready to show you all what this banner looks like. It's a USA banner that I had last year. Totally forgot that I had it in my stash. And then it was a few sparklers left over from last year when the boys popped fireworks last year. And a couple other little 4th of July things. These little star necklaces that the kids like to wear around their neck. But I'm getting ready to put the banner up. I'm really trying to decide how am I going to do that, because my windows don't have like anything sticking out to hook it up there. And I don't have any thumbtacks, but I'll probably just tie it onto the string. Oh, I gotta go get my baby, y'all. Really quickly, I probably try to tie it onto the string on the window and then just see how it looks. But what I want to do is go ahead and set the table up for the kids so that they can see their 4th of July beans. But let me get my baby because she don't play. So I'm back, family. I just gave Zara her first bottle for the morning, and so she's okay. She did get up and was very stuffy. Her nose was very stuffy and she's sneezing like a whole lot. So I'm really hoping it doesn't progress throughout the day. But if it does, then I'll have to go by Walgreens and see what they can give me for her. Here's what the banner looks like. It says USA in light blue with some stars, USA in red with some stars, and then USA again and some stars on the end. It's a really, really cute banner. And so I just want to put it up on my put it up here in the kitchen just to, you know, make it a little more festive in here for the kiddos. Here's the sparklers that I was telling you all about. They're really, really big. Those were in my stash from last year. And then of course some of these little 4th of July stars that the boys like to put around their neck. So anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and put the banner up here on the wall some kind of way. Again, I don't have any hooks or tacks, but I'm gonna figure out how to get it up right here. That way the kids can, you know, enjoy it.
Buzzing, let's drink up. Your death look like big fun. Come on, let's get it on.
I was able to tie the USA flag up on the wall, and I think it turned out really good. You all let me know what you think. And that is to add some festivities and celebrate this Independence Day. And then here are the kiddos. Excuse that it's so kind of dark. Let me fix the lighting. Here is the kiddos' snack bins. I went ahead on and added the boys their sparklers, and I put their little necklaces that they like on each of their bin. I did double up on the napkins as well on the inside of their bin. So they have the American flag napkin along with the white napkin that you see. Baby girl has the American flag, the white napkin with the pink napkin, and then Trey has the same thing, American flag with the white napkin. So yeah. And here's my other 4th of July napkins from last year. They are so freaking pretty. And these are the ones that we use. Yeah, mama, these are the ones that we use for this year. And so I think what I'm going to do is I'm going to put these that we used last year inside of this bag and put the whole thing in my little stash. But yeah, this is our way of bringing in Independence Day for the kids. So everybody's gonna get ready to see everything and get dressed and go enjoy this wonderful holiday. All right, boys, what you think? Happy 4th of July. They've been so ready to look inside and see everything. Marcus, they can't see you over here on the side, baby. Go back over there where you're broke so I can see you.
How long is this? Thank you so much.
It's probably as long. Look at this.
Motorcycle. You got a Lego box, a motorcycle. Well, the Lego box is to keep your Legos in, Trey, so mommy is not stepping on them, okay?
Okay.
Julian, you got some socks in there that say barbecue. If you want to put them on today, you can. It's up to you.
Wow.
Yeah, it looks like a barbecue grill.
Yep. The
Let me
little,
see.
the little 8-bit or something.
Uh-huh.
8-bit. And the brain.
That's Zara's in the middle. She's sleeping. So I don't know what that is, Mama. I'll have to share later when I wake up, Mama.
The brain
She will.
teaser.
Yep, the brain teaser. You think you're going to be able to put it together?
You gotta take it apart.
Oh, okay. Come back in the frame where I can see you.
I knew they had to take it apart.
What you think about your motorcycle, Trey? Did you open it?
Man, this is
You like it?
This motocross is actually very nice. It even has
It's
a
very
little
nice.
kickstand. Look at that. It even have a little kickstand on it.
Wow. That's cool, man.
So I can put my
Yeah, so the boys are getting to it. Oh, Trey, you see your bug catcher? So when you find
a bug catcher.
So when you find
Is that your
a cricket or a roly-poly or you find a butterfly, you're not bringing it to me. You can put it right there. You can put it right there in your bug catcher, okay?
It's neon.
And then it goes on where? The balcony, right? Because bugs don't belong in the house. Trey found the roly-poly, you guys, and he was so connected to the roly-poly. He named it. Tell him what you named the roly-poly.
Christopher.
He named it Christopher, and later the roly-poly passed away. You would have thought it was a relative, honey. He was really upset. You like it, Ju?
Wow. He's the brain teaser. All you gotta do is just move some of these. Look, watch this. I'm finna get it.
Look, I can take this off easily. Thanks.
This
You're
is
welcome, baby.
This is gonna improve my IQ.
So we're getting ready to go visit some family, get some barbecue and eat, and we will touch bases with you all once we get there.
Look, took that one out.
You like your kite? 4th of July kite and your comic books?
I'm taking all these apart. See the brains. See my IQ.
Good job.
Took that out apart in like less than 15 seconds.
I bet you love.
Say hi, Zara. Say I'm woke now. Say I'm woke now, Mama. You see your boys. I'm woke now. Do you want to see your baby band back there? Say, Mama, I don't know what's happening. I don't know. Say hi, family. I woke from my nap. I woke from my nap, and this is my first 4th of July. Yeah. Hey, love. So we've made it over here to a few relatives' houses, and right now, just really trying to figure out what we're about to do. It's so many people just really trying to figure out where to park, and don't park in nobody else's yard, of course. But happy 4th of July. I hope you all are having a great day. I call myself molding my hair down, and I hate it. But I'll check back in just a minute. Hold on, Trey. Don't go out the door without me. What you doing, Trey?
Oh my gosh, this is like bubblegum.
You enjoying your food? Ooh, what you got there? Enjoy, because you know we don't drink sodas. No, I'm just kidding. What you got there? Oh,
Look, it says red. It says
pop.
red.
There you go.
Red pop. It's a light. It's a red.
There you go. It's the way to go. Enjoy. Enjoy. Hey Zara, she finally woke up. She's figuring out what's going on. Y'all are cute.
Look at Zama. Nana, look at Zama. Can you open it?
I'm not gonna let him ever do it.
I can open it for you. I was gonna open it for him.
Said thank you. And woo, that's good. That's good, isn't it? Yeah.
Did you see Jackson?
I'm trying to get everybody.
All of them clear.
Look at that.
What is he laughing?
I'm surrounded by the kids.
What is he laughing?
Adults over there.
Guess what? If you see my... I want to have one of my...
Be safe. Remember to ask me before you light a firework, Julian. Oh, preteens, y'all. They just do what they want to do. Hold on, y'all. You coming out, pretty girl? Yeah. All right, the kiddos are popping fireworks, so we're still gonna go see the big fireworks tonight. Trying to see what they're doing.
Turn your car, baby.
Oh, you gonna
Get to the car, baby.
Oh, never mind.
Where Trey? Where Trey go, baby?
Oh, right
Where
there.
your bro? Oh, I see him right there. Tracy. Why Trey looking like that?
Oh, he just staring. He passing at it.
Oh, okay. One of their big cousins popping the fireworks.
Oh, one of his.
Still daylight out here.
Boom!
What's that? Who's that?
That was here. Chicken nugget.
Chicken nugget did it.
That was chicken nugget. Chicken nugget.
Boy, you silly.
Stop, stop.
Hey, what?
No, I don't want you to go back. Baby hot. It's ridiculous. No, I don't want you to go back in the house. You can see right here.
Watch how you holding it, baby.
Next to your dad.
Yeah. Bag it up from your face.
Jackson, you see the sparkle?
Watch how you holding it, Trey. Away from your face. And don't drop it in the grass, please.
Jackson, where you going?
He looks just like your bro and his dad.
Where are you going?
Aw.
You love it, come on, give me something. I know that you want it, come on, give me something. The night is young and so are we. So maybe you should leave with me. The night is young and so are we, baby. The night is young, so let's have some fun. If you love me right, yeah, this could be the summer of our lives now, honey. Give it to me like you know you should now, baby. This could be the summer of our lives, the summer of our lives. The sunset's on fire.
Y'all are hilarious. Okay. It is. It's got the seconds up there. Amazing. Hey family, thanks for hanging out with us. It is the next day, so I'm getting ready to get the kiddos up so they can head out for daycare and summer camp, and then I gotta go to work. But I hope that you all enjoyed spending 4th of July with us. This vlog was actually like 36 minutes, you guys. Before I edited it down, it was like 36 minutes, and I was like, I don't know if they like super long vlogs like that. Y'all let me know. But we had a really good time, from the barbecue to the kids opening their activity bins, and then later that night we went to see a firework show. So it was just really nice. And there was a lot going on with families, so I had to edit a lot out because it was a situation going on between two uncles. And if you in a black family, you already know what I'm trying to say. But I love y'all. I hope y'all have a great week ahead. Stay blessed, stay encouraged, stay motivated. And we will see y'all in the next vlog. Bye, guys.